A very good afternoon to you guys. Today we are going to look at anticyclones. Okay. Now the first question is, what are anticyclones? Now anticyclones are areas of high pressure at the center. So these are areas of high pressure at the center. Okay. So air is sinking in the midst of the rising air, which means no rain or cloud are formed, because as the air descends and warms, it can hold more moisture, thus reducing its humidity. So if humidity is reduced, it means there is no rain. Okay? So they have small pressure gradients. These are some of the characteristics of anticyclones. They have small pressure gradients, that is, pressure from the center decreases gradually. This is what we mean by saying they have small pressure gradients. So this will result in gentle winds, okay? Winds which are just gentle and they are not violent. So it is characterized with gentle winds, etc. Okay? So the winds blow away from the center, which is highest pressure, in an outward direction. Remember, we said anticyclones are areas of high pressure at the center. Okay? So the winds blow away from this center, which is highest pressure, in an outward direction. That is, from high pressure to a lower pressure region. So this wind movement or deflection depends on whether the cyclone is in the northern or southern hemisphere. Okay. Now in the northern hemisphere, the wind blows in a clockwise direction. And in the southern hemisphere, the wind blows in an anti-clockwise direction. This is what you should master about anticyclone. Now we need to look at the weather that is associated with anticyclones. Weather associated with anticyclones. Now, what is the weather that is associated with anticyclones? The first part, we have low or little or no rainfall. So we have low or little or no rainfall. Okay. Secondly, we have the clear skies. I'm sure you know what it means when we say clear skies. Kuti kana clouds are clear, it means apana rain inomboya. Another thing is that there is low humidity, or the amount of dampness in the atmosphere, or the amount of moisture is very low, like what I was explaining. The other thing is there is low wind speed, low wind speed because air will be dense, because air will be dense. okay? A inenge nekutinge chirema, okay? So the wind speed will be low because A is heavy. Then it is also accompanied by low temperature. And stratus clouds. I'm sure you know that stratus clouds do not bring rain. They don't bring much rain if ever they are to. Okay? So basically, this is what I wanted you to know as far as anticyclones are concerned. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to let me know at 0784 002 002. And also, don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube videos. Goodbye.